This is John from Jalen, and we're going to bring you yet another Model Y. This one came in like this. It came in wrapped, and we just went ahead and did Rayno S9, 20% front to 35% on the rear on top of the factory. So you guys can see there, this is a white interior. So even with the 20%, still looks very, very light because you have light coming in from the front windshield and from the moonroof as well. And we also went ahead and did the 3M ceramic IR front windshield in 70%. So you guys can have it there. Just quick little video walk around, just to kind of get an idea of how the white interior works on the Model Y. I know it is a little different than the Model 3, just because it is a bigger vehicle. So you guys can see there, you can still see the back. If you do have things in the trunk that are light, like this white cooler here, you will be able to see it even with 35% on top of the factory 20. You guys have it. You guys can see right across through the window. Yeah, 20% is definitely very light for the front too. But it is a good thing, that way you guys won't get hassled. And it does, reject a significant amount of heat and glare without it looking too dark. The next level after this would be 5%, but it might be too dark. There you guys have it, Tesla Model Y, 20% front to 35% rear and 70% front windshield. And we did not do the roof on this one. All right, thank you guys for watching.